The Fox, the Rooster and the Dog. One moonlit night, a fox was prowling about a farmer's hen coop and saw a rooster roosting high up beyond his reach. "Good news! Good news!" he cried. "Why, what is that?" said the rooster. "King Lion has declared a universal truce. No beast may hurt a bird henceforth, but all shall dwell together in brotherly friendship." "Why, that is good news," said the rooster. "And there, I see someone coming, with whom we can share the good tidings." And so saying, he craned his neck forward and looked far off. "What is it you see?" said the fox. "It is only my master's dog that is coming towards us." "What, going so soon?" he continued, as the fox began to turn away as soon as he had heard the news. "Will you not stop and congratulate the dog on the reign of universal peace?" "I would gladly do so," said the fox, "but I fear he may not have heard of the lion's decree." And the moral of this tale is, cunning often outwits itself. The end.